welcome back to my channel. First off, thank you for 600 subscribers. We are already at the 600 mark, and I just wanted to real quickly let you guys know when I do reach 1,000 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway. My very first giveaway, and I'm super excited. So let's just keep this family growing, and I appreciate each and every one of you. Today I'm back with my second video of my one palette, one column, two look series. If you haven't seen my first video, I will link it down in the description. I am using the Juvia's Place palette. The first video I did was the first column, and today I will be doing the second column. So this yellow, the shimmery green, and this bright pink. And I came up with these two looks, so please keep on watching to see how I got them. much for watching. Again, thank you for all your support. Comment down below which look was your favorite. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you are not already, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.